Today we're going to be talking about the half distance, which is a 1.2 mile swim, a 56 mile bike, and a half marathon or a 13.1 mile run. Now there's a lot to talk about with the half, so let's just dive straight in. First things first, transition area opens at 5:30 in the morning. Now personally, I like to be prepared, I like to not rush, so myself and my athletes are instructed to get there as soon as possible, so typically right around 5:30 in the morning. This allows you to find your rack, get your bike in a good spot, exactly where you want it to be, get all of your transition area set up, make sure that your shoes are in the right place, kind of go through a couple times. Hopefully you've already looked at where the swim out, swim in is, where the bike out, bike in, run out, run in is, but you can just kind of see it all set up in the morning, make sure that everything looks good, kind of go through your plan in your head, and walk it out a little bit if you would like as well. Go to the bathroom the last couple times, get yourself warmed up. And for a warm-up, a lot of people think, okay, so I'm doing a half, maybe this is your first time. What do I need to do for a warm-up? I'm going to be swimming for 30 plus minutes probably. Why don't I just get in the water? Well, that might be true, but with every triathlon or every event, when you get to the line, you want to be warmed up already. So I recommend that you do the events in reverse order. So you do a short little jog, just get the legs moving, doesn't have to be anything fast at all. 5-10 minutes is perfect. After that, get on your bike, make sure that you put your wetsuit over the rack so that people know where your spot is, because you don't want somebody taking your spot, because you got there at 5:30 in the morning and you want to make sure that you're set up where you want to be set up, right? So then you take your bike out. Again, 10 minutes is fine. Keep the gears low, spin really fast, just get the legs moving, the blood flowing. Make sure you change through all your gears to make sure everything is working one last time. Check your tire pressure, pump them up a little bit if you need to, clip in and out if you're feeling a little bit weary. Make sure that your helmet feels good, sunglasses, just the last minute checks that your watch, if you have something connecting to a power meter or a cadence meter or anything like that, everything's working properly, right? So that you've gotten to transition area early so that you have time to go through all of these things morning of to make sure if there is anything wrong, hopefully there isn't, but if there is, you can take precautionary methods to get through it. You can ask the other athletes, ask the race officials, anybody who might be able to help you out through anything that comes up the morning of, because we want to be able to have a great race from start to finish, and we would hate for something to happen as soon as you get to your bike off of the swim, and then what do? You panic and you don't really know, so the whole race is ruined from that. It can be avoided. Let's just make sure we take all the steps before this race starts so we have a fun day.